Hello to all. Today we are going to see Vedic Maths method of multiplication for three rows, and it's for a two digit by two digit by two digit. So let us see example 45 into 63 into 24. So if this is the question that is given, so in general, what are these steps that you will use in the conventional mathematics method is that first you will do 45 into 63. How will you multiply this? 3 5 the 15, 3 4 the 12, plus 1, 13, 6 5 the 30, 6 4 the 24, plus 3, 27. You'll get 2835. Again, you will multiply this with 24, right? So, 4 5 the 20, 4 3 the 12, plus 2, 14, 4 8 the 32, plus 1, 33, 4 2 the 8, plus 3, 11. Now, 2 5s are 10. So let me erase these parts. Okay. Mm, this got erased. Okay. No problem. I've rewritten them. Now I'm multiplying this 2 with 2835. Okay. First I multiplied 4 with 2835. I got 11340. Next I will multiply 2 with 2835. You get 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. When you add it, you will get it as 0, 4, 3 plus 7, 10, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. And this is how you do the multiplication, right? Now the same sum, when we do using a pattern, there is a pattern for 2 digit multiply by 2 digit multiply by 2 digit. So let me show it to you in a single step. First, you will multiply all the ones place digit. Then what will happen? This is your step 1. Okay. Next, step 2. So you're going from right to left, right? Going from right to left. So what you need to do? Majority should be from the right. So 1s into 1s into 10 plus next is 10s into 1s into 1 plus 1s into 10s into 10. This is step 2. Next, the step 3 is the mirror image of step 2. You can do the mirror image of each and every step. I hope you all know what is a mirror image. So the mirror image of this particular part is that is 1s into 1s into 10. Mirror image of that is 10s into 10s into 1. Similarly, mirror image of 10s into 1s into 1s is 1s into 10s into 10s. Similarly, the mirror image of 1s into 10s into 1s is 10s into 1s into 10s. And the last step 4 is the mirror image of step 1. So it is 1s into 1s into 1s over here, right? So this becomes 10s into 10s into 10. So we will follow this pattern throughout. Okay. So the first step will be 5 into 3 into 4. Next, here it will be 5 into 3 into 2. So since I'm explaining to you, I'm writing all the steps. So once you start accustomed to this pattern, then there is no need of this particular step. What I'm writing. Okay? Plus tens into ones into one. 4 into 3 into 4 plus ones into tens into 1. 5 into 6 into 4. So 5 3 the 15, 15 2 the 30, 4 3 the 12, 12 4 the 48, 5 6 the 30, 34 the 120. So when you add this, you'll get it as 7 plus 2, 9, 198. And this result of step 1 is 5 3 the 15, 15 4 the 60. Okay. Or also you can do 4 5 the 20, 23 the. That way also you can do. Next, we will go for step 3. Step 3 is 4 into 6 into 4. 4 into 6 into 4 plus 5 into 6 into 2. I'm doing this. That is 1 into 10 into 10. Okay. Next is 4 into 3 into 2. 4 into 3 into 2. Okay. So now let us see the result of step 3. So 4 4 are 16. 16 into 6 is 96. Okay. Next 5 6 are 30. 32 are next 4 3 the 12. 12 2 are 24. So when you add this, what will you get? 6 plus 4, 10. This is 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. So what I did over here is I took these to add up to 10, right? So I added these. Then I added the remaining part. Okay. Next is last is 4 into 6 into 2. This is step 4. It is a mirror image of step 1. Now 4 is the 24, 24 2 is the 48. Now let us see. Now we are supposed to keep only a single digit in the result over here. We are supposed to keep only a single digit in the result over here. So 6 plus 198. That gives you 204. So keeping only 4 in the result, I will take 20 and I will add this 20 to 18. So you will get 200. Now keeping this 0 in the result, I will do 20. I will take 20 and I will add 20 to 48. So it is 68. So it is 68040. Absolutely, which is the same answer as the previous one. Now you might be wondering, Vedic Maths is shortcut tricks, but how come we got this huge step? Now I will do another example. Okay, I will do another example. So 72 multiplied by 48 multiplied by 36. I will omit this particular step. Omit this particular step. I will be writing only this particular result. Okay. So now the first step is 2 into 8 into 6. 2 8 is 2 8 is 16, 16 6 is 96. Okay. Next. This is step 1. Okay. Now let us give some gap for step 2 and step 3. Now let us go for step 4. 7 4 the 28 and 28 3s are 84. Okay. This is step 4 answer. Now we are left out with step 2 and step 3. Okay. Now 2 8s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Next. 7 8, 7 8 are 56. 56 into 6. Here goes. How can you multiply this? I'll tell you a simple technique. You can use the dodging table method for this. For this, you can multiply 6 6 are 36, 6 5 are 30, then you can add this 3 to 30. So that you get it as 336. Okay. You will get it as 336. Next, 2 4 are 8, 8 6 are 48. There goes 48. We are adding 2 times so that we get it as 96. 336 plus 96. So you will get your answer as 6 times 6 will give you 12. Okay. Now let this 1 be here. 3 and 9 will give you 12 plus 1 is 13. 3 plus 1 is 2. So you will get the total as 432. Okay. Next, we see the step 3, which is the mirror image of step 2. 7 4s are 28. So same thing we will do. 28 into 6. 6 8s are 48. 2s are 12. So you get it as 168. You can do this at the mind level. Since I'm explaining to you the shortcut trick, so I'm explaining to you the steps also. How to do that at mind level. Okay. 168. Next, 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 20. Next, 7 8s are 56. Now 56 into 3. Yes, this again 168. Right? See, because 28 into 6 is 168. So when you split the 6 as 2 and 3, so when you multiply this 2 with 28, you'll get it as 56. So automatically 56 multiplied by 3 is also 168. Now 168 multiplied by 2 times. 168 multiplied by 2 times. Because why I'm multiplying 168 2 times? Yes, because 168 is added 2 times. Okay. So you will get the answer as 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12 plus 1, 13, 1 are 2 plus 1. So you get 336 and 24. You get it as 360. Okay. Now you have the result as 84, 360, 432, 90. Now what will happen? This 9 will act as a carry forward. You will get it as 441. Okay. Carry forward to this 432. I will leave the 6 in the result. Similarly, I will leave 1 in the result. I will add 44 to 360. So you will get 404. Similarly, I will leave this 4 in the result. So I will add 40 to 84. So you will get it as 124. So it is 1, 2, 4, 4, 1, 6. This is the answer. I hope it is clear. Alright. Now, I'll give you one sum. You can try to do it and you can put your answer in the comment box. 32 into 48 into 86. You can try this, use the pattern, and you can try. And alternatively, you can try this using the conventional math. You will get the same answer. Okay. So, thank you. I do take online classes for Vedic mathematics. So, evening time, the class time is 7 to 8. And if you want to know more details about the classes, you can let me know. Okay.